In this video, I'm going to show you, step by step, how to place your edited template into our custom Canva frame page. Hi, I'm Vic from Henia and Frank. If you're struggling with how to place your finished template into a Canva frame page, this video walks you through exactly what you need to do so you can place your work into a page ready for printing and cutting in the comforts of your own home, using your home printer or through your local printer or via an online printer. Let's get started. You need to first access the frame sheet template you purchased. Please watch the first part of our short tutorial video step 1, accessing and editing sticker template wording. To find out how to do this, the link of the video can be found below in the description. You also need to have your finished image in JPG or PNG format ready somewhere in your device. If you haven't already, download it first and have it saved in a folder in your machine if you are editing from a PC or laptop. If you are editing from a phone or tablet, your picture will go straight to your photo gallery once you download it. If you need a guide, please watch the last part of our tutorial video step 3, editing sticker template, downloading to find out how to download a finished template. Link is in the description below. Now that you have the Canva frame sheet template in your device, it's time for step 2, uploading your finished design on Canva. In Canva, tap Uploads button, then click on Upload Files and find your work in your Save folder or photo gallery if editing from phone or tablet. Wait until your work finished uploading. Now that you know how to upload an image, it's time for step 3, placing an image into the frame sheet. On the Uploads panel, just press and drag the image you just uploaded into a frame. Repeat process until you have completed placing the image into all the frames in the sheet. If for some reason you have made a mistake in dragging an image into a frame, just delete the image but not the frame. To do this, right-click on the image and scroll down to Detach Image. If you have accidentally deleted the frame itself, you will have to duplicate a frame with the correct image already placed on it, then move it in a correct location in the page. Once completed, download your work in PDF format, ready for printing. There you have it. In just a few steps, you can now place your work into a sheet ready for printing and cutting in the comforts of your own home using your home printer, or send the PDF to your local printer or online printer for printing. Top tip: if you happen to need to change the size of a frame, you can do so by first selecting a frame, then tapping on Position, then placing a value on the width and height boxes. When you change the size of a frame, please note that the other template designs you bought that were of different sizes or proportions will not fit properly in this new frame. There you have it. In just a few steps, you can now place your work into a sheet ready for printing and cutting in the comforts of your own home, using your home printer, or send the PDF to your local printer or online printer for printing. If you are new here and don't already have one of our editable invitations and frames, there's a link in the description to make a purchase. Thanks for watching.